Welcome to Idaho. Today is September 15th. It is officially our first day here in Idaho. Right now it's about 6:15 maybe in the morning. We don't really know where to go. We have no idea where the elk are because we haven't got any info about it. So today we're basically just gonna go in blind. I don't even know where we're gonna go yet, but we're gonna drive up the road up here. Kind of see where all the trucks are parked. Kind of see where hunters are. We didn't get here till like 12:45 in the morning, and then we went to sleep at like 1:30. So we only got about like 5.5 hours of sleep. Yesterday when we were driving here, we saw a big 320, 330 bull maybe. He had a herd of like 7 cows with him, so hopefully they're fired up. We came up here, we were locating nothing bugles, so we're just hoping that they're way down in the bottom where you actually have to go and hunt to get to them. We're gonna go pack up, get the cars ready, and drive around, and then start hiking around, start bugling. Hopefully we get some good action today. Day 1 of Idaho. Ready? Alright, well, you guys see we're still at the truck. We're still driving to go to our elk spot. Got right there. There was 2 grouse, so that's dinner for us tonight. We located a bull in this drainage over here. But there was a trail that went down over there, but we missed it. So we came over here, so we just tried to locate this drainage over here. Located this guy over here, he chuckled again. So, first elk of Idaho located. So we're probably gonna make our game plan on this guy over here. There's gotta be a bull that's gonna answer me down in this drainage. That was a bugle. He's way down there. Dude, this is crazy steep. That bugle, I heard it so faint. I'm pretty sure you guys didn't hear it because it was so faint. Is that helping? Alright, well, good morning. Today is day number 2, September 16th, and we are getting a very late start this morning. It is 10:41 in the morning. We're still gonna go over to this little mini trail over here, then we're gonna hike all the way around. Yesterday, that's where we heard the elk bugling, or chuckling, I should say. And so we're just gonna walk over there, walk down the trail, and see if we can get lucky this morning. We're just gonna go over there and see if they're talking. If not, then it's just another day of walking around. But we'll see. We'll go over there and let out a couple bugles, and we'll see how it goes. Elk are bugling. They're bugling by themselves. They're not that far. There's 2 of them. You didn't hear that guy? I just heard a long bugle with a chuckle. Yeah, he was super close. That guy out there, I think he like did a short bugle, and this guy responded to him. Oh, yeah, there's 2 of them. So we'll just work around, get the wind right, and then I don't know. I was about to bugle, but they already bugled, so there's no need of point of giving up our location. Yeah. Alright, so he's down here. I think we heard a cow call, so he's probably heard it up. We're gonna sneak in as close as we can with the wind in our favor. Try to get as close as we can and hopefully just bugle and he comes crashing in. is still sap on this thing. That's the hair from his head when he's rubbing like this. Look. That right here. That's the sap from the tree. It's insanely fresh. Now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Basically all morning we've been working these bulls, and so far they've just been running away. There's probably like 4 or 5 different bulls. I don't know, we're pretty deep into this drainage, and they just keep running away, so. Alright, well, that is camp. Our tent is right behind our truck, but this is basically camp. We have 2 tents set up right here. This is our truck. David and the truck is usually parked right here, and Chang's truck is parked right behind you guys over here. They're still out hunting. We just got back to camp. We got right back to the trailhead at 5 o'clock. Right now is 5:12. So we're probably just gonna go around, drive around, try to locate some elk, and basically do some grouse and squirrel hunting. Hopefully we can do that and eat some more grouse and squirrel for dinner. We're gonna go give it a try simply because we still have a little bit of daylight left. It's only 5 o'clock, like I said, and it doesn't get dark till like 7 o'clock, 7:30 or something like that. So might as well go and try to get some meat for the family to eat later tonight rather than just sit here at camp. That's what we're gonna do. So hopefully we can go shoot some grouse or squirrels. We'll see you guys on the road. Beautiful grouse. Alright, so we got our first grouse of the evening. This is a female blue or dusky grouse. A lot of people confuse a female blue grouse with the rough grouse, but blue grouse or dusky grouse is the biggest grouse of the grouse family. And this one's it's a young bird, good eating. We're gonna cook her up tonight. As always, you just be thankful for every single animal that you harvest. Just gonna eat good today. Alright, so there was 3 in that little flock. We got 1. We're just gonna keep on driving down the road because right now it's prime time. Evening, no sun is hitting anymore. This is a perfect time. This and early morning is a perfect time to find grouse on the road. The thing about grouse hunting is usually back in Washington, you see more grouse hiking and hunting than seeing on the road, but Idaho here, you see more grouse driving around than actually hunting, which is a good thing. After a hard day of hunting, you just come back, drive around, get some meat for dinner. That's the cool part of this stuff. So we're just gonna keep driving.